Hello to all my dear students and friends. I welcome you all on my YouTube channel English Tycoon. Dear, this video I am making for my class 11th CBSE and ICSE board students. Yes, dear students, I know that you all are missing your school. After exam, you are waiting for your results also, and there are still some paper of class 10th are left to be conducted, and after that exam your result will declare. But I think that you need not to worry about the result. You are sure you all are very good student and you all are going to score good in your class 10th. Now we need to plan about further, because we need not to waste our time. We have to utilize our time, so we should start studying further of the chapters and subject of class 11th. So this video is going to tell you the detailed information related to the chapter of the literature and the book of class 11th, as well as the grammar topic which are going to cover or which are going to come in your class 11th. So let's start. Watch the video. So dear students, I am going to give you the detailed information of your class 11th English subjects, the name of the book and complete chapter which we are having in class 11th. So let's start. We see books and syllabus. So this is the division of the mark of the complete paper. See the paper will be divided into three sections. Section A, that's called reading comprehension, is of 20 marks. Section B, writing skill and grammar, that is of 30 marks. Section C, literature, that is of 30 marks. So, and internal assessment means listening and speaking, it is of 20 marks, so become total 100 marks. So means you 80 marks theory paper you will get, and 20 marks will be in the school hand and the teacher hand, and they will conduct your listening and speaking, and on account of your performance they will give you. And so your target is to get 80 theory marks. These 20 are also in your hand only. Your behavior, your performance in the school exam, and your code and conduct in the school with the teacher will help you to score these 20 marks. You can easily get this if you behave well, you are disciplined, and you are also a good student and scoring good mark in the school. Definitely teacher will give you. So you have to worry about this all 100 marks. You have to think it about it, that how to score it. So let's see now the name of the book. Book's name, Hornbill. Your one book is Hornbill, that is prose. Total number of chapters in Hornbill is 13. Snapshot, total number of chapter 8. Grammar, it is up to the school which book they prefer or which book the teacher want to tell you to purchase for studying. See, Hornbill contain both story and poem. It is combined, 13 chapter combine both poem and story. So now let's see what are the chapter name. Hornbill prose means story chapters are chapter number 1, the portrait of a lady. It is about a lady portrait. Portrait means picture. And chapter number 2, we are not afraid to die if we can all be together. If this is very horrible, very adventurous story, you will read. When you will read now, you will enjoy definitely, and thrilling as well. Chapter number 3, discovering the Tut. The saga continues. It is also a historical story related to Egypt king. Chapter number 4, landscape of the soul. Chapter number 5, the ailing planet, the green movement's role. Chapter number 6, the brownie version. Chapter number 7, the adventure. Chapter number 8, Silk Road. So these are the story chapter of Hornbill. Now let's see the poem. Hornbill poem. Chapter number 1, a photograph. Chapter number 2, laburnum top. It is a tree, about tree and its quality, all about its quality you will read. and you will learn some message from the poem. Chapter number 3, The Voice of the Rain. It is a song. It is song sang by the poem, by the rain. And chapter number 4, Childhood. In chapter number 4, this is childhood. In this poem, the poet just asking himself that where his childhood had gone. He is quite confused about that. So this is all about the poem. Chapter number 5, Father to Son. It is a poem dedicated to his son and narrated by the father. So these are the 5 poems. Now snapshot see. 8 chapter total. Chapter number 1, The Summer of the Beautiful White Horse. It is a very nice story. You will definitely enjoy it. Chapter number 2, The Address. It is also nice story. It is about address, how a person reached to the address, and after that what happened. It is all about that story. Chapter number 3, Ranga's Marriage. It is about marriage. You all are fond of marriage, so when you read this chapter, it is very funny, interesting also. You will enjoy. Chapter 4, Albert Einstein at a school. It is about Albert Einstein and his behavior in the school and how he get success and what happened with him in the school is all about given in the chapter. Chapter number 5, Mother's Day. It is about mothers a day. Chapter number 6, The Mother's Day is a story which teaches us to give respect to female especially. This chapter is related to written by the writer for giving respect to a lady who play a very important role in everybody's life. The chapter is also very nice and good and give a good message also. Chapter number 6, The Heart of the Only World. Chapter number 7, Birth. It is about a birth and how it happened is all about the chapter. Chapter number 8, The Tale of Melon City is a very funny story. You will definitely fall down after reading this by laughing and jumping when you read this chapter. So this is all 8 chapter of snapshot. Now let's see grammar chapter. See, grammar book is up to the school teacher, up to you also, whichever you want you can take, but the topic should be there in that book. The topic which are included in the class 11 syllabus are given below. Chapter number 1, determiner. Chapter number 2, tenses. We will study all tense, present, past, future. Clauses we will study. Modals we will study. Voice, active and passive voice you have to study in. Notice writing you have to study. Poster making or poster writing, both are same thing. Here poster making is not that you have to make a banner and poster. You have to make on page poster and poster, like advertisement poster and all. It can be anything. It is also a writing part. 8, advertisement writing. Topic number or chapter number you can say. 9, letter writing, business for a business purpose, editor, school, college, job, anything. And 10, topic number 10, report writing. And topic number speech. 11, speech writing. 12, article writing. These all are long writing, long composition, long writing section. And the end. This is the end of syllabus. So this is all you have to study in class 11th, and this all cover your grammar and writing section. So my dear students, I hope that now you have got your syllabus of English, and now it is all clear to you that what you have to study in class 11th in literature, and which book you have to study, and what are the topic chapters are there, and how many chapters are there. And this is also clear to all that what are the chapter you have to study in grammar section. So now be ready for the next video in which I am going to explain you one by one all the chapters. Our mission is to finish both book as fast as we can. And if you have any doubt or if you want any video based on any topic, writing section, grammar section, you can please do comment in comment box so that I can come to know about that and I can make video on that. And please like and subscribe the video so that you can get all the update related my video.